Okay, just to show you what I have here, we're working with a little vacuum chamber that I made, and it's just out of a piece of plexiglass, the hole in it, a little plumbing, the vacuum pump down there. I know you can hear it. And what I have inside is 2 sets of ring magnets with a sphere magnet, half-inch sphere magnet, mounted on top of just a steel rod electrode. I did that twice, one on top, one on bottom, inside a chamber, you know, PVC, 6-inch PVC pipe. And input power is going to be, hope this thing focuses on that, it's going to be a 12,000 volt output at around 30 milliamps. And I have a Variac auto transformer to adjust the flow of current as we want it. So I'll set the camera up here and we'll get this thing started. And I'll do it with the light on first so we can see how this works. This is where I can see this thing. There we go. I'll slowly start turning up the current, and you'll notice spikes come out of the sphere magnets. They'll start to energize, and you'll see the plasma begin to move outward or try to connect in the center. And we'll do this very slow so we can observe it as it takes place. Helps to turn the thing on. Here we go. Now you can see the glow on the bottom one already. Now both really, and there the spike is. Now, if I can catch it, you also notice there's an illuminating light around the equatorial region of the magnet. And magnets are oriented where the poles are facing one another at this moment, and it won't stick any other way. And what I like you to notice here is how, let me go zoom that in some, the upper, get the focus, the upper spike is more pointed. It tends to go inside of the lower spike as they come together. Watch. It's like the lower spike is going to envelop the upper spike. And then, of course, as we keep turning up the current, you see how an overlapping takes place in the center there. We'll back it up and do it again. It's almost a double-layered tornadic type plasma in the center there. It gets thicker as I turn it up. In fact, let me back this camera up some. We'll see this fingering effect take place when I get it up to a certain current flow. You'll start to see the plasma break out and actually fingers around the entire sphere of the magnet. That's pretty cool. You also see a sporadic flickering of emissions around the subpolar regions of the sphere magnet as well. Here's a good illustration of the fingering effect, how the plasma tries to reach out around when it's in a double layered form. As the connection is trying to be made, it's more of a single point from the polar region. As we turn it back down, you see I thought that was pretty cool how we have two different types of one plasma trying to go inside the other, when in fact, according to mainstream science, we only have flow in one direction. However, it's certainly contrary to that opinion. The light there. I don't know if you can see that ultraviolet or red U in the center of that. Anyway, that was a pretty cool demonstration.